Welcome to the Cobot Welder. We are happy you have chosen the Cobot Welder, powered by Beacon, to augment your workforce. Now that you have made this investment, let's spend a little time getting to know the system. To get started, download the app from the App Store or you can use it from your web browser. In our example, we will be using Beacon from a web browser. The actions are the same if you are using the mobile app. In the browser, navigate to Beacon and enter the email address you will use to register your organization. Additional users will be by invitation and so will automatically be included in this organization. Check your email and click on the link. From there, you will be prompted to verify the link. Since this is the first time you have logged in, you will need to set up the organization. This is only done by the first team member to register with Beacon. You will enter the name of your organization first and click Update to move to the next section. Second, complete your user profile, including adding a picture if you want. Enter your first name and last name, then press Update. Third, you will create your first team in Beacon. Teams are how robots are organized within the organization and how you can control access to robots by team members. The same user can have different roles on different teams. Use team descriptions to make it easy to differentiate between teams. Once everything is entered, click Create Team. That's it. You are now ready to start using Beacon to enable your Cobot Welder. When you are ready, you can move on to the next tutorial for learning how to add your Cobot Welder to Beacon.